Bahlool and the businessman. One day, a wealthy businessman from Baghdad approached Bahlool, hoping to gain from his unusual wisdom.
Sir Sheikh Bahlool, advise me. What should I buy that would benefit me most?
Buy iron and cotton.
Man buys iron and cotton. Months later, he sold them and earned a fortune.
Oh, crazy Bahlool, tell me, what should I buy now to profit again?
Buy onions and watermelons.
Man fills warehouses with onions and watermelons. Within days, everything spoiled, and his wealth vanished.
The first time, your advice brought me profit. But this time, you ruined me.
The first time, you called me Sheikh Bahlool. You spoke with respect, so I answered with wisdom. The second time, you called me Crazy Bahlool, so I replied like a crazy man.
Ashamed, the businessman understood Bahlool's lesson. Wisdom responds to the heart that seeks it, and respect is the key to receiving it.